Gorgeous. Are you kidding me? So real. Oh my gosh, Michaels, girl. I decorate for spring on a budget by using what I already have in my assortment, building my collection year after year, and of course, going to some of my favorite stores when it's still cold outside, when the snow is still on the ground like it is here, and kind of seeing what they're bringing out early and new for spring at a discounted rate. So I got some goodies from Michaels and Target today, and I'm gonna show you how we turn our home into springtime. Now, as Sheree from The Real Housewives of Atlanta would say, I'm a spring summer girl. I don't really do decorating for spring and summer. I kind of look at them as one long season. I try to make sure that what I'm doing for spring can like last me through summer if I don't feel like switching everything out, especially for faux florals on the inside of the home. If you're into this type of decor, decorate with me, what I have in new for spring, definitely subscribe, stick around, let me know in the comments where you're checking in from, and let's go decorate. Before we decorate, I do think it's important to kind of just show you what kind of collection I'm working with. Some faux florals that I've used year after year include these gorgeous peonies from Amazon. Also have these buds. I bought these, I think, last year from Amazon. I felt like I didn't have any like greenery stems that gave springtime like starting to bud. And so I bought 2 of these last year. And lastly, I have a hydrangea obsession. First it was peony, now it's hydrangea. We actually grow some hydrangea in the front of our flower beds. And so I wanted to kind of like bring that inside. These 2 stems actually came from Target last year. I also have these cute plastic artichoke hearts. They're so cute. On the inside, they have kind of like they're budding a little bit. As far as napkins, we're gonna go with this really pretty floral napkin that I've had in my collection for, I wanna say 2 years now. They're just so stunning. They are from Target. They were like $3 each, if that. These appetizer plates that have this gorgeous blue and also this like light goldish splatter. I think I've never put them together, but I think I'm gonna put, stunning. I'm gonna put these 2 together. I'm going for more of a maximalist vibe in the dining room this year for spring, summer, unlike years before. So stay with me. I'll show you real quick what I picked up from Michaels and Target. Girl, let me give you a pro tip. It's freezing where I'm at right now. Literally was snowing yesterday unexpectedly. I put in an order for Michaels and Target Instacart and got like a diamond shopper, 10 out of 10 shopper. He found every single thing. Every stem that I had in that cart he found, which I was just so surprised by. It was my first time doing like a home decor Instacart order. I just really wanted to get this video out for y'all, and I knew I could not brave the cold yesterday. I was not feeling my best, but I still wanted to get everything ready and prepped and, you know, ready to go. So, girl, I got 2 bags, so let's go through it. So first up is Michaels. Are you dying? Okay, I got 2 bunches. I couldn't tell how big these were online when I was ordering them, but I got 2 bunches of peonies. Again, I haven't replaced my faux floral peonies in quite some time, so I felt like this was a good year to add to the collection, and these looked so realistic and gorgeous. I didn't even really need to get 2. 1 was fine, but are you dying? Are you dying? Like, look at this. Stunning, stunning. These are from the brand Ashland, the Michaels in-house brand. Oh, gorgeous. I'm so excited about this one. Okay, also in the bag, I have these hydrangeas. These are actually what we grow outside. They are the snowball hydrangeas, and so their balls are a little bit smaller. And so my idea for these, there are 3 balls per stem, is to create kind of a statement on the center of the dining room table by basically combining them and interlocking them around a vessel that I have. So I went with, I think, 6 of these, so I'm hoping that that's enough. But these are so stunning. These are like dusty, small roses, Real Touch roses that can also get popped throughout the home in a vessel. I mean, look how real these look. They're so beautiful. Lastly, I have always been eyeing cherry blossom stems. Are you kidding me? These were pretty affordable actually. These stems are 40 inches and they were $9.99. So as you can see, they're super tall. They have a lot of cherry blossoms per stem. And I got 4 of them. I initially had 6 in my cart, but I thought that was too many. So I have 4 of these stems and I'm so happy with these. I think I'm going to put these in, I don't know if it's the kitchen or the breakfast nook. I feel like these need to be seen somewhere like that I'll see them all the time. So we'll work on that together. But let me know in the comments like what faux floral has been your favorite so far. So real. Oh my gosh, Michaels, girl. They're so stunning. I felt like I could put them in, again, a small little vessel, maybe in a bathroom or just somewhere else around the home on a console to kind of just brighten up the space, make it look more fresh. So I love this. Very excited about those. If you decorate seasonally, you know you cannot go wrong investing in faux florals. You will thank yourself later. The future you will thank you for investing in faux florals. You really never get sick of using them in a different way. I at least have not looked at a faux floral after several years and been like, nah, girl, I don't like you. If anything, I've been like, okay, you didn't age well, and so we're gonna move on from you. But if they are quality faux florals, like, that's the best investment. And get them while it's still cold, while people aren't really thinking about them. So that way you get them at a discounted rate. Again, I'm going maximalist for the dining room table and we're really taking it to spring. I saw these clip-on birds in another spring haul from Michaels on YouTube and I thought they were so cute. I've had this just like fascination with birds lately on my walks and I just think they're so beautiful. And so these little clip-on birds can get clipped onto the buds of the faux florals just to create a more like whimsical look. So I'm excited to see like if I'll love that and how it'll come together. But I got 2 of those, or maybe I got 1 of those. And I also got these faux butterflies to also clip onto this kind of tablescape arrangement that I want to do. These were also really affordable. There are 10 pieces to them. And I think it's cool because you can also like repurpose these for different DIY projects. We're moving on to Target. And for Target, I really focused on the kitchen and not so much the dining room, but mostly the kitchen area and also the powder bath, trying to refresh anything in there for spring. But I also have had my eye on these pepper mills in Target. They're in hand collection with Magnolia. They're actually pretty affordable for copper salt grinders. And so I said, you know what, for spring, let's just go ahead and grab those. So I really love how they look. I got a tall and a short. I also will be replacing my taper candles that I have that are currently Valentine's Day themed. So I got some neutral ones. These are the twist candles that I just love so, so much. And then I always love buying new kitchen towels for the new season. I'm a very simple kitchen towel girly most times when we're going to a new season. So these are just pinstripe kitchen towels, black and white, nothing crazy there. I also picked up new hand towels for the bathroom that are neutral. These are like a boho kind of fringed theme. I've been into these like vintage looking prints lately. I want to put art in the bathroom, so I'm going to see if I can find a cute little space in the bathroom for this art piece. Oh, this smells so good. A gorgeous candle that I can, of course, burn when the kids aren't around and also for my content. Big candles like this look really good in my food content, whether it's for photos or for videos. And so I like to buy these like maybe once a quarter or so. So my last one is in there. It's the same brand, but just a different pot. And it looked so beautiful for the past 3 months. I burn it sparingly. So these are kind of pricey. They're about 30 bucks, but they do last me like 3-ish months. So this will be my new one for spring to replace the one that I currently have. And that's the haul. If you're still with me, let's go decorate. Valentine's Day towels. I'm just gonna quickly replace those with my more neutral spring towels. I think that looks really good. Love that. And now for Valentine's Day next year, I won't have to buy new towels. Perfect. These were the new frames prints that I bought also at Target after the holidays. I think these are really cute. So for my floating shelf, I have one right here, and then I have one up there. So over here is where I like to keep all my little olive oils and salts. So I feel like those will be really cute. Just simply putting them right there.